Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of a project today where we download website content, and then what we do is I've got another little program that I'm going to show you, and the point of this program is we're going to use the get URL, and we're going to use this module here called LWP Simple. Now, if you don't already have this module on Perl, you're going to have to download it using pip. No, not pip, that's for Python. CPAN. I write in Python as well, I kind of get a little bit confused. It's CPAN, so you need to go to your command prompt and type in the CPAN command to download this module. Okay, so this is the first part, using get URL. So basically we're going to enter a URL in here. So this print command here will print out a message to the user and tell the user to enter the URL of the website. Then we've got the chomp the new line, and we've got a scalar variable here called URL, which we've assigned to stdin, which stands for standard input. So we're going to get the input that the user has typed in. And then we're going to create another scalar variable called response and use get the URL. So we're going to get the URL with that, and once we've got the URL and the contents, we're going to print out the contents by printing the response here. So the contents will be stored in this variable. Okay, so here we go everybody, let's just run it. Yeah, let's make it a little bit bigger so you can actually see it. So we're going to type out a URL, https, and this is going to be, let's make sure I get this right, I can't remember now. I'm going to do example. You have to get this part right. Okay, so there we go. Let's just take it down a little bit. Okay, so this is from the website example.com, so we've got the information using that. Okay, we're going to take this a little bit further, and what we're going to do here, let's just make it a little bit bigger for you, and we're going to create another subroutine, and this is called print chars. Chars being short for characters. So we're going to print out some characters here from the website, and we're going to specify how many characters we want to print out. Oh dear, a bit of a cough there. So I'm going to create a variable called website. I'm going to assign that to get, and then we're just going to enter in a website here, https. I'm going to say example.com. So this is example.com here, and we're going to print a message to the user because we want the user to do something. So number to start at. So we're going to tell the user to enter in a number to start at. So I always start at like 0, but you can start at anything. So we're going to get the user input for that. So my scalar, I'm going to call this schar for start character. Assign it to standard input, which will get the input that the user types in. Oops, made a little bit of a typo there. You have to be careful here sometimes. My keyboard is getting a little bit worn, and I make quite a few typos every now and again. So right, okay, so we've got the standard input there. And then we need another print command here because we want to start at a certain point on the website, and we want to end at a certain point on the website. So we could start at character 0, which is the first character that appears, and we could end at character whatever we want to end at. So this is going to be print number to finish at here. Okay, so number to finish at. And again, we need to get the user input for this. And that's going to be my scalar f char. So finish character. Okay, I'm going to assign that to standard input so we can get the input the user types in. And then all we have to do is print it out. So we're going to print, and we're going to use this substr, which is substring. So we want the substring, we type in the website here, and then we want the char, the start character on the website, and then we want the char, the finish character on the website. Okay, so we should just be ready to go now. So let's have a look. Let's just save that a little bit, and we need to run the program. And because we created subroutines to run this particular subroutine, we just call it by its name. So it's called print chars. Okay, so that's how we call it. We save it. Let's just run it. Okay, so we've got number to start at. So I'm going to start at 0, which will be the first character on the page. And number to finish at, I'm just going to say 7, 8, 9. Actually, no, maybe not quite as much as that, just 100. Hit enter, and there we go. So it's gone and grabbed all those characters from 0 to 100 of that particular website. Okay, another way we can use this here, I've created a subroutine, and what we're going to do is we're going to check for keywords on a website using this Perl program. So first of all, create the subroutine, which is check keywords, and then we print a message to the user that says website. This is the prompt for the user to enter in the website, which is going to start with https:// etc. Now we use the chomp for the new line, and we create a scalar variable called website, and we assign it to standard input. This is going to get the input that the user types in up here. Now we've created another print command, and we told the user to enter keywords, or in this particular case I'm just going to say keyword because we're searching for one keyword. Again, we've used the chomp, and we've created a scalar variable called KW, which stands for keywords for short. We've assigned that to standard input, so the user will type in the keyword they want to search for up here. Now we've created another scalar variable called content and assigned it to get website. So this will get the website content and store it in that variable. Now we're going to come on to the conditional, and we start with if, and we use defined here. If the content is there, and the content, and we've used this little symbol here, which means matches. It's a matching operator. So if the content matches the keyword that we typed in here with the I, which is globally on the site, then print the keyword here found in the website. The scalar variable here has been interpolated into this. Or else, if that's not the case, we use the else catch-all. So if we can't find it, we print out an alternative message, which is the keyword here, not found. So let's just give this a test run, shall we? Okay, so I'm going to type in a website here. So it's going to be https:// PS, and then it's going to be, oh, I've done 3 T's there, PS, and it's going to be blah 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 blah.com. Okay, let's hit enter. Okay, so enter a keyword. So I'm going to type in teaching because I know this keyword is on this particular site. Hit enter, wait a few seconds, and there you go, teaching found in website. Okay, let's try it again. Let's run it. Let's type in the same website, which is https blah blah blah.com. Hit enter, enter a keyword, and I'm going to type in rocket because I know that's not on the site. Hit enter, wait a few seconds, and there you go, rocket not found. So there you go, folks. I hope that's been useful to you, and if it's been useful to you, remember to give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscription button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.